Hey everybody, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, and in today's video we're going to do a quick unboxing and review of the Nillkin CamShield Armor Case for our Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. As you can also see, we got some new characters on our desk. These are characters by Pop from the Marvel movie Black Panther. We have Eric Killmonger and we have T'Challa, which is the Black Panther. Thinking that this is ideal for looking at this particular armor case because these are some great warriors from that movie. And so like we said, this case is the CamShield Armor Case for our Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. And if you're interested, you can pick this up off of Amazon. Actually, you can pick the characters up off of Amazon also. This case will run you $16.99. And so with that said, let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. And getting the sticker off. And looking at it, there's not much in it, just the case itself. And so that's nice and easy to unbox. We'll set that to the side. Now this is our CamShield Armor Case. And so it's kind of got a camouflage feel to it, as you can see with the black and green. Like I said, it's ideal. We're going with these two warriors from Black Panther, Eric Killmonger and T'Challa, the Black Panther. And so this is a nice case. First impression of it is very sturdy feeling. It's made of some type of rubber, heavy duty rubber here. And as you can see, it has some nice features on it here. It has this ring here, and the ring has a little lip, as you can see up here at the top, which you can easily grab. And that's used for carrying the case. You know, you can carry it in your hand like so. The ring also rotates. And so you got 360 degrees of turn there. And you can use that ring, like I said, to carry the phone, or you can use it like a kickstand. So it will stand like that also. Another great feature is the protective shield for our camera. And so as you can see, that slides back and forth, clicks in place, and it will protect our camera. So that is a different feature in itself. And so taking a look around the case, like I said, it's black and green. As you can see, we have notches cut into the side there, so that helps with the grip itself. And if you have it at this angle, you can see you have your Nillkin branding there. Like I said, you got those notches which help to hold on to the case better. So let's go ahead and pop our phone in there and see how it looks. And so if you notice, it kind of put a little green on the wallpaper to kind of go with the theme of the case itself. And so it just snaps in there like so. And so that looks pretty good, feels good. Like I said, it has a good grip. You can look around the sides of it here, and you got your ports, and no buttons on this side. But if you go on the other side, you see you got your buttons. You got your volume up and volume down, your power button, and the buttons feel really good, very responsive, very tactile. And at the top, you got your cutout here, which is for your mic. And so overall, the case feels are very good on the phone. And again, if we look back at the camera, also, I don't know if you guys noticed, my Galaxy Note 20 is the Mystic Bronze, but it looks black, and that's because I got a screen protector on there already, a glass screen protector. I'll leave a link in the description for it. Now the purpose of that was also to protect the camera, but now we have this case, we have some additional protection. Like we said, we have the door here, the shield that slides across and it clicks in place, and so that's cool. That's a very nice feature. And so like we said, that camera bump is pretty deep, and so it fits right down underneath that. And again, looking at the ring here, it has a little lip that you can easily grab it. Now, one thing I want to try is to see if we can wirelessly charge this case, especially since we have that ring. And so we got our wireless charger here, so we're going to pull it out. Got like a little blue cord here, but anyway, pull it out to see if we can get it to wirelessly charge. In the front here, we have a LED here, and it will light up if it does charge. And so if we set our phone down on top here, that ring kind of blocks it. But what I've noticed is if you want to wirelessly charge it, you just grab the ring and pull it down the other way and then set it down. And as you can see, bam, the light comes on, so it does wirelessly charge. And again, all I did was remove the ring from where it normally sits in that little groove here, grab it by that lip, pull it back, and then set it on the charger like so, and bam, it does wirelessly charge. So that is a excellent feature, excellent feature. Put that ring back real quick. Also looking at it too, we have a raised lip here at the front and on the back, and that will prevent it from falling down. Well, it will prevent the face from hitting if the phone were to fall like so. And so it has a gap underneath there. As you can see the light there underneath there coming out. And I'll even take this piece of paper that I folded and show you that you can just slide that paper through there. So it does have a gap underneath there, so it isn't touching the surface. That raised lip on the front and on the bottom and on the top is preventing that from hitting. And so that is so cool. The case looks great. Like I said, I like the shield, which blocks the camera. Also looking at the wallpaper. Wallpaper looks pretty good. And I had an idea real quick. I wonder what that would look like if we were to put a camouflage picture or camouflage background for our wallpaper. So I'm going to do that real quick. And so after switching it up, we got a camouflage wallpaper. As you can see, it's the green. It matches more so the case than that green background I had at first. So it looks pretty good. Let me see if I go to a page where you don't see as much of the icons. So that green looks pretty good, but you can also switch it up to a couple other kinds of camouflage. And so, you know, camouflage comes in a lot of different colors these days. And so looking at my man Killmonger over here with that blue sweater, I'm gonna see if I can find a camouflage that's blue. And so if we were to go with some type of a blue camouflage, it would look like this. And so that looks good too, I think. Even though it's not the green and black, it's camouflage. So that kind of goes with the theme of military. And the blue gives you a little color. So that's pretty nice looking too. And let me try another one real quick. It's just an idea. I saw a camouflage the other day that had like a brighter green in it, like my watch here, and I'll show you what I mean here in just a second. So it's kind of a brighter green there, kind of like my watch, kind of like my color here, and the color of the channel. So that's kind of a brighter green, kind of gives you a little bit more color too. Camouflage, bright green, darker green, lighter green, and black. And so that kind of gives you that military feel too. Just one more wallpaper I want to show you, and see what you think. If we were to go with some type of red camouflage, maybe. So if we were to go with some type of red camouflage, it would look like so. Now that's pretty nice looking too. That's kind of has a green, the red and the black, and so kind of gives a little color. But I think it looks pretty good with the military style case we have here. So that's about it for our video for today. Hopefully we shared something that you can use and something that was beneficial. If so, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and hit the like button. And don't forget to hit the bell icon too, so you can be notified of new content as soon as we release it. And again, this is Melvin with Tech Ready 24/7, bringing you technology that's on the move. Thanks.